let's go to page 447 and start with number 1. So equation 1, you have x plus y minus 3z equal to 10. Equation 2, you got y plus z equal to 12. Equation 3, you get z equal to negative 2. Okay, so this is kind of nice because you already know one of the variables. So this is a triangular system. Okay, so it's very easy. Then you just work backward. So you got y plus negative 2 equal to 12. Then you plus 2 on both sides. So you got y equal to 14. And then just substitute back one more step. So you got x plus 14 minus 3 times negative 2 equal to 10. So you got x plus 14 plus 6 equal to 10. So minus 20 on both sides. So you got x equal to negative 10. Okay. Now if you're going to put in the coordinate form, then you get negative 10, comma 14, negative 2. Okay. So you can do either one. You don't have to do both. Okay. You can do this way or this way. Okay. Number 3. Okay. Equation 1. You have x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. Equation 2, you got 3y plus z equal to negative 10. Equation 3, you get negative 2z equal to 8. Okay, so again, you start with the easiest one and you work your way back. Start with the 1 variable, 2 variables, and 3 variables. So divide by negative 2 on both sides. So you got z equal to negative 4. Okay, so that's one answer. Now you work your way back, substitute. Okay, so over here you plus 4 on each side. So you got 3y equal to negative 6, divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equal to negative 2. Okay, and then work one more step back. So you got x plus 2 times negative 2 minus negative 4. Again, make sure you use the parentheses when you substitute. It helps you to keep track of your negatives. So you got x minus 4 plus 4 equal to 3. So you got x equal to 3. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, equation 1, you got 2. You know, let's go ahead and put everything in the correct order. Okay, let's go and put everything in correct order. So you got negative x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. Equation 2, you have negative x plus 4y equal to negative 4. Equation 3, you got negative 2x equal to 8. Now, in this case, it doesn't matter if you rearrange in the correct order or not, but I just want to get into the good habit of doing that. So divide by negative 2 on both sides. So you got x equal to negative 4. So that's one answer. Substitute into here. So you got negative 4 plus 4y equal to negative 4. So simplify. So you got 4 plus 4y equal to negative 4. Minus 4 on each side. Right? So you got 4y equal to negative 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equal to negative 2. Okay. Now you substitute all this back in here. So you got negative 4. Again, this is what you substitute. Plus 3 times negative 2 plus 2z equal to 0. So let's work it out. So you got 4 minus 6 plus 2z equal to 0. And so this would be negative 2 plus 2z equal to 0. Plus 2 on each side. So you got 2z equal to 2, divided by 2. So you got z equal to 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 7. Equation 1 is 2x minus y minus z equal to 2. Equation 2 is x minus 5y plus 3z equal to negative 13. Equation 3 is negative 2x minus 2y plus z equal to negative 2. And notice how I write the z and the 2. Okay, the z has little slash through it. So make sure you write it a way that you can read, your own handwriting. Okay, so let's see, what should we eliminate? Okay, I'm going to eliminate the z because the coefficient is 1, 3, 1. It looks like that's the lowest one, the easiest one. So I'm going to eliminate the z, okay? And so I'm going to put this under here. So equation 1, I get 2x minus y minus z equal to 2. So when I add, this cancel out, so I get negative 3y, this cancel out equal to 0. Wow, okay, so actually it works out pretty good, okay? So divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, so y equal to 0. Okay, so that's kind of nice, but you still have to go through the process, okay? So I'm going to use, again, we try to do the z first, right? So I use these two. So now to use these two together, I'm going to multiply this by 3. So I got 2x minus y, 6. So 6x minus, so 6x minus 3y minus 3z equal to 6. And I'm going to put this under here. Now I'm going to put this under here because I want to save the space just in case I need it. So I get x minus 5y plus 3z equal to negative 13. So when I add, this cancel out. So I got 7x minus 8y is equal to negative 7. Okay? So again, you go from 3 equation, you go down to 2 equation. But this one is very easy because this one equal to 0. So we don't want to do that one more step. We can just substitute into here already. So this becomes triangular equation. You got 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable. Okay? So substitute into here. So you got 7x equal to negative 7, okay, minus 8 times 0, right? Okay, so you got 7x equal to negative 7. So divide by 7, you got x equal to negative 1. Okay, so now we have to, so we got x and y, so we need to get z. Okay, let's see which one I'd like to use. Okay, I'm going to use this one here because I don't like the negative z's. So again, choose the easiest one. So I'm going to use this one here. So I got negative 2x minus 2y plus z equal to negative 2. Okay, so I'm going to substitute. So work it out. So I get 2 plus z equal to negative 2. So minus 2 on both sides. So I got z equal to negative 4. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so equation 1 got 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 10. Equation 2, I get x minus 2y plus z equal to 10. Equation 3, I get negative 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5. Okay, so let's see which one has the easiest coefficient. The x, you got 1, 2, and 4. The y got 1, 2, 3. And z, you got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it looks like either the y or the z. Okay, and let's see. Okay, doesn't matter. So let's see, y and the z are the same. Let's go and do the. Okay, I'm going to do the z. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do the z. Because again, it doesn't matter y or z. So I'm going to do, let's do the z. Okay, so I'm going to use this 2. So I need to multiply by multiply this by negative 3. Okay, so multiply this by negative 3. So I get negative 3x plus 6y minus 3z equal to negative 30. Okay, I'm trying to use this 2. So I'm going to do the z first. Okay, then I'm going to put this under here. So I got negative 3x plus 6y minus 3z equal to negative 30. So when I add, I get x plus 7y equal to negative 20. Okay? So I use these two. I use 1 and 2. then I'm going to use these two next, right? So I don't want to use these two because z is going to be kind of bad. You got 3 and 2, right? Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by -2 instead, okay? So multiply this by -2. So I get -2x plus 4y minus 2z equal to -20, okay? And I'm going to put this over here, okay? So I got -2x plus 4y minus 2z equal to -20. So when I add, I get -6x plus 7y, this cancel out, equal to -15. Okay, so now I have these two equations, okay? So I have to decide which one to make them opposite. Now notice this, you got 7y and 7y, right? So I'm going to multiply this by -1. I'm going to do the y because they already have the same variable, same coefficient already. So times by -1, I get 6x minus 7y equal to 15, okay? And I'm going to put this over here. So again, that's why you don't want to draw the arrow, okay? But I'm just drawing it so you can follow. Okay, so put this under here. So I got x plus 7y equal to -20. So when I add, okay, I get 7x equal to -5. Okay, let me double check. Okay, let me double check something. Okay, let me double check. Something is not right. Let me double check. Make sure I copy everything correctly. X minus 2y plus z equal to 10. -4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, and I multiply by 3. So -3 plus 6 minus 3 minus 30. Put under here. When I add, here you go. -x. And 7y. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so you have to divide over here. Okay. So this will give me 5x. There we go. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So again, there's a lot of little things. You have to be very careful so you don't make careless mistakes. So you got x equal to -1. Okay. So once you find x equal to -1, then you can go back to the one with the two variables. I guess you can use this one here since there's a lot of space. So you got -1 plus 7y equal to -20. So you got 1 plus 7y equal to -20. So -1 on both sides. So you got 7y equal to -21. Divide by 7, divide by 7. So y equal to -3. Okay? Okay, now we need to look for z. Okay, so choose the easiest equation. Now these are 3z, 1z, 2z, so I'm going to use this one, right? This is the easiest one. So I'm going to use this one down here. So I got x minus 2y plus z equal to 10. I'm writing it again so you can see where it's coming from. Now substitute. So work it out. So you got -1 plus 6 plus z equal to 10. So you got 5 plus z equal to 10 minus 5 on each side. So you got z equal to 5. Okay, and that's it. So again, just need to take your time and make sure you watch for careless mistakes. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so equation 1, you got 2x plus 3y. And I'm going to put in a proper form, so I'm going to move the z to the left hand side, so it'd be minus z equal to 6. Okay. Second equation, you get x minus 2y, and I'm going to move the z to the other side, so plus z equal to -1. Equation 3, I get 3x plus y, move the z to the other side, okay, equal to -1. Okay, let's look at the coefficient. You got 1, 1, 3. You got 2, so you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So all three are the same difficulty. Okay, all three of them have 1, 2, 3. So it doesn't matter which one you use. So again, I'm going to get rid of the z first. Okay, so I'm going to use these two equations. So put this underneath. here. So I got x minus 2y plus z equal to negative 1. So when I add, I get 3x plus y equal to 5. Okay, so I use these two. Now I'm going to use these two. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by 3. So I got 3x minus 6y plus 3z equal to negative 1. And I'm going to put this under here. Okay, so again, you have to decide what variable you want to eliminate and stick with it. Okay, and you have to use either this pair or this pair or this pair. Okay, you got 2 out of 3 choices. So put this over here. So you got 3x plus y minus 3z equal to negative 1, negative 3. You have to remember to multiply, double check. 3 negative. Okay, yeah, so be careful. Remember to multiply that one. Okay, when you add, you get 6x minus 5y equal to negative 4. Okay, so now you go from 3 variable to 2 variable. Now you got these 2 equations with 2 variable. You have to decide which one you want to eliminate. Okay, so looks like y is easier to eliminate. So I'm going to multiply this by 5 to make the y opposite. So multiply by 5. So I get 15x plus 5y equal to 25. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got 15x plus 5y equal to 25. So when I add, I get 21x equal to 21. Okay, so divide by 21. So I get x equal to 1. Once I found x, I have to go back one step. I'm going to use this one here. Okay, so I get 3x plus y equal to 5. So 3x, substitute. So again, I'll write it again so that people can know what equation I'm using. Okay, so minus 3 on both sides. So y equal to 2. So now once I get x and the y, I need to look for z. Okay, and obviously this should be the easiest equation because that's have a z by itself, right? So you got x minus 2y plus z equal to negative 1. Again, I'll write it again so easier to follow what I'm doing. So substitute. Okay, so you got 1 minus 4 would be negative 3. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to plus 3. So I got z equal to 2.